Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to download and install Google Play Store and its app in laptop or PC. So first open your Chrome browser, tap here Google Apps, tap on Play, Google Play. Now from here, after reaching, tap on three dots. Now from here scroll down and tap on Cast, Save and Share. Now from here tap on Create Shortcut. Now tap on Google Play Store and tap on Create. Now it will create a shortcut for your Google Play app, Android and Google Play. If save it where you want to save, for example you want to save it in desktop, simply take it here and move it to desktop. So that's it. After completing this step, now if you want to download an app from Google Play Store, for example open Google Play Store and search an app, for example calculator or any other app, calculator lock, for example calculator lock. Now from here copy the URL, you'll find the URL here, copy its URL. After copying URL, open new tab and type APK Pure, click and open it. Click on the first link. Now from here in the search bar, paste the URL which you copied earlier and press enter. Now from here you will get the download option, download APK. Click on download APK. Click on download and your download will get started. Click on save, and as you can see your APK is being downloaded. Now after your calculator APK is downloaded, simply what you have to do, open a new tab and type Smart Gaga. Open it, open this tab, click on this link gonglu.com, and after clicking on this link simply click on download. From here 286 MB, and after downloading it, after downloading the setup for Smart Gaga, what you have to do, you have to install it. Simply click on it. Now tap on next, tap on I agree, tap on install. Now after finishing the setup of Smart Gaga, simply click on finish and it will open your Smart Gaga. Click on allow. So basically this is an Android simulator, Android emulator. So if you want to open an APK, simply click on APK and from here select the APK. For example, I want to select calculator, which I downloaded earlier. I'll search calculator lock. As you can see, simply select it, click on open. So simply after searching for APK and installing it, choosing it from here, click on open, and after you select the APK, it will simply start running. And if you want to download any app from Play Store, you can download it from here. So basically this is an Android emulator. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.